So basically it is like my array, we are going to keep it like this only, we cannot do anything there. But we need to write like this. So say concat, I'm putting like, okay, array, this is my new array been created. My array, I'm just taking this out. Okay, this is a function how you need to write whenever you want to concatenate something. Okay, so concating, what I'm doing is 7, 8, 9. Okay, and I'm just closing this syntax. Now when you see what happened, how if you want to use a concat function, okay, append is basically going to modify your complete, the original array. But if you don't want to concatenate your original array, but you just want to add that something up into my main array, I want to see how it going to be like. So now, if you see this, what it is going to do is it is going to create an array for us. Okay. So for example, let me set this up as the, so it is visible onto the palette as the label. Okay, and you can see that whatever changes are going to be made. Okay. So I'll just reset and run. So whenever you come in here, whenever a part is going to come, okay, I'm just running this. Whenever a part is going to come, you are supposed to see that, okay, this item.array is nothing but a label is going to get assigned to the palette, which is equal to my array. So I'll just stop and continue. And if you see, I'm just checking out onto the palette. See, the label named array is been set up onto the palette, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which we have already mentioned here. Okay. Now, what if I'm going to say that my array length, I'm going to set it to 2. So basically what I do is this. What will this syntax do? Okay. Let us see. This. I'm just stopping and continuing. So if you just check, I'm having the length of an array of 2. Initially, it was the length of 5. But now the array I'm going to get it is. So this syntax basically reduces or sets your array size. Okay. So this is a array now, and I'm going to set dot length is equal to. This will reduce your array size, or it is going to change your array length. So now your array, my array, is just length of 2 units, and that is where if you see in the label also it is set it up only 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 are gone. Okay, so this syntax you need to use whenever you want to reduce the length of the array or increase the length of the array. We have already used that in our this initial queue in our video 1 and 2 of arrays. You can have a look at that, how we have set it up. Again, that was dynamic, we have set it up. Okay, you can see how we have set it up a size of an array, and then we have created an array onto that, which is this. If you see, this array is that what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm the first one. Now, what do we need to do? Now, say for example, what I need to do is, this was my initial array been created. Okay, and what I need to do is, I am supposed to add some additional details to my array. Say for example, I need to add 7, 8, 9 to my array. How I am going to do that? Okay, how I am going to do that? I'm going to put in a condition named as append. Okay, and the append, you need to have this detail like this, and I'm going to put like 7, 8 and 9. Okay, and this you need to remove. This is not required anymore. Okay, but you need this called bracket. Okay, what we have written is my array dot append 7, 8, 9. Okay, so let us see what is now my label for the item. Okay, so when I just continue it, item.array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, then 7, 8, 9, because 6 we didn't add, right? And that's where our array length is now 8. Okay, so I already asked one question in our part 1 and 2 of array, that what is the difference between append and concatenate. Okay, I also got the responses, thanks for that. But what I wanted to specify that now, I wanted to clear that out, is that the difference between, we'll see now, we are going to use a concatenate now, basically concat. Okay, so what is the difference between this is that similar to append method, except that append method modifies the original array, where concat makes a new array. You got that? Now what we're gonna do is, let us make this one thing. Okay, what? So basically it is like my array, we are going to keep it like this only, we cannot do anything there, but we need to write like this. So say concat, I'm putting like, okay, array, this is my new array been created, my array, I'm just taking this out. Okay, this is a function how you need to write whenever you want to concatenate something. Okay, so concating, what I'm doing is 7, 8, 9. Okay, and I'm just closing this syntax. When you see what happened, how if you want to use a concat function, okay, append is basically going to modify your complete, the original array. But if you don't want to concatenate your original array, but you just want to add that something up into our main array and to see how it going to be like, then you need to use this syntax, that is array new constructor. You need to specify a name for the variable, and then you need to use your array onto that, and you need to concatenate that. Now I'm just stopping and concatenating that, and if you could see that here I haven't made anything. Okay, but for premium content, do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com, where you will be getting all these premium contents available. So talking about what things you're going to get in, you're going to get in, simulation solutions. You're going to get premium training classes for simulation stuffs. You will be getting 3ds model file support. You can buy modules. You can access to simulation case studies. You can visit our services. Also, you can visit the blogs which you're going to get. So I was talking about simulation solutions, right? You can schedule one-on-one session with us, for training and details. You can access our digital assets like learning center. Okay, so here comes the booking online appointment. Talking about training classes, you can access premium training classes. Once you are going to purchase our subscriptions, you will be able to access our training classes which are listed out here, and these are continuously getting upgraded, guys. Talking about blogs, here we bring in blogs from travel experiences, health, devotionals, like industrial engineering, personality development, simulation tech, and lot more interesting and exciting. So do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com for premium content, blogs, and lots more.